Wow, I love how my hair is faded already. Anyways, hi. Today, so I'm gonna be building my computer. Yay! I literally have everything in front of me right now, minus the graphics card, which should be coming in a little bit, and a monitor, because I didn't have enough money for that, but I bought everything else. And how can I use the computer without a monitor? I don't know, but at least it's here. Anyways, I haven't built a computer before. Hopefully I don't damage or ruin anything. Knowing me, I might mess something up. I guess I'll see you when I get my graphics card and we'll start building. Alright gamers, it's voiceover time, so I'm just gonna show you guys like the parts of my PC. That is my tower, and I should be linking everything in the description if you're interested, and the name should be on screen as well. That is the RAM I used, the SSD card, which is really good, CPU fan, that's epic, the CPU, the freaking monster. That's the hard drive. I was too lazy to take it out of the freaking package until, like, you know, put it in. Power supply, pretty epic, pretty epic. The motherboard, hee. Razer mouse, I love it. And that's Razer keyboard, I also love it. And then my graphics card finally came in, and that's it. Yeah, so most of this video is just gonna be a voiceover because, yeah, I wasn't gonna talk when I was building the PC. Also, because I had to like keep stop filming and continue filming and going onto YouTube and watching tutorials because I was really confused. Yeah, that's dangerous. I don't know why the fuck I did that. That's sketchy. Yeah, exactly. I hated touching it. This whole thing is just me being filled with anxiety while building the PC. Hello, am I okay? Yeah, so that's my motherboard, and here I am just doing literally the first step, which is lifting up that thing, but I was having a hard time because, I don't know, I was trying to be really gentle with it, but I obviously had to, you know, put a little bit more pressure, and here we go. I actually lift it here, I guess, soon, maybe? Okay, there it is. I don't really think this is a tutorial. If you want a tutorial to build a freaking computer, look up tutorial, because this is not a tutorial. This is just me being, I don't know. Okay, apparently I was proud that I just literally did the first step. So yeah, then I grabbed the CPU, the i7. There's the little arrow, and there. There I am, locating the corresponding arrow on the motherboard to put it. Yeah, gotta touch just the edges. Then you just drop it in. I'm literally not even showing it, but yeah, I'm just dropping that in there. Yeah. And there's the CPU, all complete in there, and that's literally all you have to do. And now the next part was, I believe, the CPU fan, but I was like really confused. Yeah, you're not gonna see me build this part because I literally was so confused. I was going through the manual, going through the motherboard manual for any like extra help. Yeah, so then I skipped that because it was like too much for me, and I just put the RAMs in, which is easy. I'm just putting 2 sticks of RAMs in the corresponding little slots. But yeah, the CPU fan, I didn't film that. I had my dad help me. We watched the YouTube video because, yeah, that was weird. So there is the motherboard in the tower with the CPU fan and everything. Okay, now it's time for the power supply. So this also confused me a little bit because some other power supplies that I saw, I guess, like, some wires were already plugged into it, but mine came with like literally all the wires separate. nothing was plugged in, which was fine. I obviously like figured it out. Wow, look at me, I'm so handy using a screwdriver. Wow. Yeah, so then I was unscrewing the little screws that I had to unscrew. Then I put the power supply in on the other side. I didn't show that, but yeah, because I was confused. Literally, this whole thing is just me being confused. Yeah, there I realized I did something wrong, and I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, okay, there you go, fucking idiot. Then I'm freaking out because there's so many wires. Then I, watched the video. I think, dude, I don't know. I was so scared I was gonna mess something up, and I wasn't sure if I was like, getting it right. So yeah, but I did. Ended up doing everything correctly. Put in the power supply. I actually ended up putting the wires at the end after I put in my hard drive. Well, that's my SSD card, and then the hard drive below it. I might have switched them in the end. I don't remember, but yeah, they're in that place. And then that's when I started putting all the wires together, and that's when everything started to come together. And the next clip should be, yeah, that's it finished. I didn't film me putting the graphics card, but it's there. And yeah, that's everything. I plugged in all the fans and all the other things from the tower. And yeah, basically the only thing, yeah, here I'm showing that like that is for the fans, the three fans in the front. It's an RGB thing, and it's supposed to be connected to my motherboard right there. But yeah, as you can see, there's no pins for it to be plugged in. So I have to buy another thing in order for the RGB fans to work. The fans work, just the lights don't work. But that's okay. Yeah, so that was it all complete. I freaking did that on my own with my dad's help here and there and my friends. But yeah, I did it. And here's my scuff setup that I had. Yeah, so there's just the tower with like everything put together. Then there's my keyboard and mouse on this little table, which I ended up moving my desk so I don't have to use that little table, and it's just plugged into my TV. Monitor should be coming in soon, so that's epic. Alright, so this is the future, like 2 weeks after, I'm not sure. I bought a monitor. It's my PC set up now. It's pretty great. I love it. And yeah, not using a TV. Alright, back to 2 weeks ago. I just woke up, finished building my PC yesterday. It was pretty frustrating. I don't have a monitor right now, so it's currently plugged into my TV, but it's better than nothing. So I brought it over here, connected it to my TV, and then I was pressing the on button and nothing was happening. It was not turning on, and I was like, oh my god. I had spent so much time into building it, and like I was getting so frustrated because some parts were like kind of confusing, especially since it was my first time building a PC from scratch. I was like, what the heck, like what's wrong? Like I'm pretty sure I plugged in everything right, everything's like good, like why is it not turning on? And yes, I had it plugged in and the power source was on. So it wasn't that. The problem was that the 24 pin cable that's supposed to be plugged into the motherboard was loose. Bruh. I don't know how that happened, because I remember when I was like plugging it in, I could have sworn I heard a click, so I was like, okay, that's good. So when I was like checking if everything was like, right, my mistake for like not checking that one right away, or like at all. Then I, came back to it, I was like, like I literally just like moved it and then it just like it just came off. I was like, oh yeah, that's not on right. That was the issue. So then put it in, clicked, and then turned it on, and we're all good. It was actually really satisfying when it finally turned on. I was like, okay, like it wasn't for nothing, especially because I spent literally all my hard-earned money on it. I can properly degen the fuck out now. Yeah, I'm really happy. I built my first PC, guys. I don't have to play games in like windowed mode in a little window. I can actually play a full screen now. And I'll be able to stream actual gameplay now. I can record videos
too and post them on YouTube. Oh my god, dude, it's gonna be amazing. Thanks to the people who, you know, tune into my streams and, you know, try to help out and give me donations and stuff like that. Really appreciate it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. Baby, you send me